The purpose of this video is to explain how to deal with disappearing database entries. So let me just illustrate the following. I have my input data table here, and I have it set up for some distributions. Now I go to run, and I see I have an error here, specified row index, and then it's aborted. So if I go in now and look at my input data table again, I notice that all the entries I had there have now been evaporated. So what's causing this is settings within the database table. So here's how we're going to fix that. We're going to click ExtendSim, Show ExtendSim Database. Notice that this database is now empty. Let's fix the problem before we go and repopulate the database. So to fix that problem, we need to click Open Schema View button. That allows us to select the offending database table. Once we select that table, we can either go to Database and then Edit Table Properties, or we can right-click Edit Table Properties. So that opens up a new dialog box. Now you'll notice that I have this selected where it's going to delete all records on every run, or I can set it to delete all the records on the first run of multi-simulation. If I'm intending to use this table for input, want to use it over and over again, I don't want to delete those records at all. So I need to uncheck that box and save changes. Now, if we go to put something into the inputs, and it literally doesn't matter what we put in, we'll just look for illustrative purposes. So we'll do 5 new records, and then let's go ahead and then populate this with something. So I'm going to put in my distribution again. And that's fine. Submit to cell. This time I'll just, again, for illustrative purposes, set it to something. Okay, now I can see that I have a distribution in here. Now, if I go ahead and set myself to 5 runs so that I don't run over the number that I had before. Now I can click OK, it runs and it does not zap my database. So that fixes the problem of the disappearing database.